And the reality is we're not going to avoid rationing health care in this country. We can't afford to pay for everything for everybody.
So we end up not paying pennies to manage blood pressure in the community, but paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to treat an avoidable stroke in the hospital. Totally irrational.
Just over 25 years ago, as Americans were beginning to get seriously impatient with their healthcare system, an Oregon physician with a boldly simple idea became the national face of healthcare reform.
Well, we can't hide behind a Hippocratic oath that's 2,500 years old. Hippocrates never envisioned AIDS, neonatal intensive care units, artificial hearts. But those are our realities, and we have to deal with them.
People need to recognize that 80 to 85% of what makes you healthy over the course of your lifetime has nothing to do with our medical system. And I'm convinced that there's more money, more than enough money in the system at, $3 trillion a year to give everybody access to everything that might possibly be beneficial to their health. To me, the best job in the world is being governor of the state of Oregon. And what was my federal agenda? Why would I want to do that, right? I mean, bigger is not necessarily better.
But the questions that have been raised about my administration and the escalating media frenzy that has stemmed from this has clearly reached the point of no return.
Having all of that end that way was certainly not how I thought the story was going to wind up. Labels exclude people. Labels narrow the conversation. And I do think that we are so capable in this nation and have shown it for centuries to solve problems together. I'll never see those changes in my lifetime, but I intend to use whatever time I've got left to strive and to seek and hopefully do a little finding along the way.
That's just a taste of Immense Possibilities, our weekly series on inspired projects and people we want you to know about. See that click here link below? Good. That's where you click to watch this full episode and to find out more about Immense Possibilities.